Okay.
Well,
Okay, I have
at
to-
450. The last one was at 417.
I have to revise this. I'm updating. All right, this is the fifth
This
birth.
fifth one?
Yeah, that's
This
the
is
fifth
fifth
there.
one.
How much you have last time? 5?
5.
I'm the winner so far.
So far, good. You're gonna squeeze out one more for me.
I can see you just.
Stop.
I can see you just talking to her. Come on, Holly. Come on.
Come on, find another one in there, damn it. Are you finding another one? She might.
All right.
Come here,
All
let's
right.
see.
So this
Okay.
has been revised.
This is number 5.
This is 5, 5th. Oh. This one has no ribbon
It's
yet.
a girl.
Girl. Okay. This
Now how you
is
know
the
it's a girl?
Girl. Oh, close up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that face.
Got her?
Only Mama would love.
Oh, look at that
on a
tongue.
Sunday. On a Sunday and full moon. Look at that. Oh. Okay, now come put it down. I'm gonna take a picture. That was a video.